In this video, I'll reveal one common travel mistake that will cost you hundreds of dollars, and most travelers don't even realize it until it's too late. Stay till the end for 5 easy hacks to make sure it never happens to you. And if you love travel, be sure to subscribe for new travel hacks each week. So what's the common mistake? Overweight luggage. 1 extra pound, one tiny souvenir, and boom! Your airline hits you with a $100 to $200 fee at check-in. Most airlines limit check bags to 50 pounds, 23 kilos. Go even a pound over and they'll instantly charge you. No exceptions. Airlines like Delta, American, and United charge between $100 and $200, while budget carriers like Spirit or Ryanair can go even higher. And the worst part? You can't just take something out at the counter. Your bag's already tagged and ready to roll, or your carry-on bag may already be full. Here are 5 quick hacks to never pay that overweight fee again. Number 1, pack a portable luggage scale. It costs under $10 on Amazon. This portable scale lets you check your luggage weight anytime, anywhere. 2, weigh your bag at home and keep it around 47 to 48 pounds or 2 or 3 pounds under the weight restriction. Number 3, wear your bulkiest items instead of packing them. Think about it. Jeans, sneakers, jackets, those can easily weigh 5 to 8 pounds combined. That's the difference between a smooth check-in and a $100 overweight fee. You can always take off the jacket on the plane or stash it in the overhead bin. The goal is simple. Get that scale reading under 50 pounds. Every pound you wear saves money you can spend on your trip, not your suitcase. Number 4, balance the weight. If you're traveling with a partner, even out both bags. Number 5, move your heavy stuff into your carry-on. Shoes, jeans, and chargers may not look like much, but together they can add 5 to 10 pounds to your checked bag, and that's exactly what pushes you over the 50-pound limit. Most airlines don't weigh carry-ons unless they're huge or international, so use that to your advantage. Keep your heavy but compact items up top, and your checked bag will stay light, cheap, and fee-free. So before your next trip, double-check your bag, because saving $200 at the airport means more cash for adventures and memories. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more weekly travel hacks that save you money every trip. And comment below, what's the most you've ever paid for overweight luggage?